Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abu Abira and I am online Quran teacher. Welcome back with another video related to Madani Qaida series. In previous lesson, we were explained second type of Lisani Makhraj. In this video, I am going to explain third type of Lisani Makhraj. Which letters are pronounced from it are called Hafiya letters. What is Hafiya letters? Hafiya letters means Zad. Dwad. So correct pronunciation of Dwad is pronounced from the sides of the tongue, touch the roots of upper molars. Okay, I'll try to say Dwad. You can say Dwad. Sides of tongue and roots of upper molar right there. Dwad. 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 So I hope you understand pronunciation of Dwad, place to pronunciation of this letter, Dwad letters. So you have to practice, you have to learn, you have to improve your learning journey day by day. Inshallah, after this series, I very hopefully you will be able to pronounce any letters from their makhraj, and you will be now how letters works. How letter works when he individual, how letter works when he with together with another letters. So it's enough for today. We will continue in the next video. Stay connected with us and don't forget to subscribe. Jazakallah khair.